tell you guys a story. So if you guys ever like chase down your postal carrier, that's pretty much what I did. So in the morning, Saturday morning, this morning, which happened to also be the release of the Chlorophyll 3. If you guys haven't checked out the review, I have my link up here in the video. You guys can come check it out. But I was grocery shopping with the family this morning, and I see a notification on my phone, and I'm like, oh shoot, someone's at the front door. And so I look at it, and there's the postal carrier with this package in here. I'm like, oh, it's got to be signature confirmation, right? So pretty much I missed the postal carrier by 20 minutes. Got in my car and I was zooming all around the neighborhood trying to find her, and to no avail. She wasn't around. She's quick. Like, sometimes there's one lady that's like really cool. She takes her time with packages and everything, but like this other lady, she like wants to get her work done and she's out of here. Like, you can't find her. So anyways, so long story short, I went to the post office, just like crossing my fingers, hoping that this package would be there, because Monday is Veterans Day, it's a holiday, and I don't want to wait till Tuesday to get this package. So I zipped over there pretty much to the close of business around like 4 o'clock. The customer service line was dead, but like the customer service line to get packages and everything closed at 3:30. I was there at 3:15, and I had to ring the bell like 3 times just so that they can open like the door, because Stockton is shady, man. But anyways, lo and behold, here it is. So I want to show you guys what I got, because I'm really excited for it. I've been trying to find a pair in really good condition for some time, and I gave you a hint. No, I won't give you a hint. Let's just show you. These are the 1985 Air Jordan 1 Royals. So here's the right shoe. And then the left shoe. It only came with black laces. I know the shoe also is supposed to come with the royal blue laces, which pretty much turn purple over time. And these are in really, really good condition. Like, wow, look at that toe. Check out that slant. That's nuts. I found this pair on eBay, and it was pretty much just like sitting. I actually had it on watch for, man, months, and the dude finally dropped the price from like, well, I'll tell you the price. He dropped it from like $650 down to $600, and then I didn't get it for $600. I got it for like under that. So crunchy collars, you know, something that's expected, but I do want to show you guys like the trifecta that I've now completed. Alright, so here we go. These are the Chicago ones I got a few years ago. This is from the factory TH. So you'll notice that, you know, with all these different type of factories out there, they have different style collars. And like this one is like still got the intact foam, no crunchy collars at all. The shape's great. You can notice the toe box on there as well. It's different from this one right here. This is the also 1985 band one. So you'll notice like it's more rounded out toe on that than it is on the Chicago. And then this one is from factory TY1. So these came with, I believe, black and red laces. These came with just the black ones, and then now I have the Royals, and these just have the black laces. So wow. So there you go, the trifecta: Breads or bands, Royal ones, and Chicago ones. So this is the guy I bought it off of. Here he is on Instagram. Shout out to you, Kevin. Thank you so much for the Royal one and for doing the transaction with me. Coming all the way from the East Coast all the way to the West Coast. And it's in the MJO 23 Dan vault. Alright guys, thanks again so much for checking out my video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you guys want more of a review of the Royal one, I can do that for you, as well as all the other shoes, but I just wanted to show you guys my pickup. Alright guys, thanks again. It's MJO 23 Dan. Take care.